Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share with you my kit that I'll be working with to create a project for you for the 2025 National Scrapbook Day online virtual retreat hosted by Country Craft Creations. So stay tuned. I'll give you more details about this retreat and go over this kit with you. Okay, so as I said, this is a online virtual retreat hosted by Country Craft Creations for National Scrapbook Day, and the retreat dates are May the 1st through the 3rd of 2025. There'll be a kickoff the evening before on April the 30th with a project. So this is a fun retreat that you can do from the comfort of your own craft room or with several of your friends. You do receive the box of supplies to make all the projects that are going to be featured. Today I'm only going to be showing you the collection, the product that I'm going to be using to make my project. We'll be shipping out around the first part of April. So you'll have plenty of time for the retreat for you to work on your projects. Now with mine, what's exciting, and I think all of them are going to be that way this time, all you have to supply is your tools and adhesives and inks if you want to do any inking. The cardstock, I believe, is in with all of them. I know it is with this one of mine, as far as your ribbons and the pattern papers. So this is going to be a complete project that you can just take this kit and follow along my tutorial video and create it. About that, I've already got an album planned for you. Let me set some of this aside so we can look at the papers. So we're going to get this collection by Echo Park called Blossoms and Bees. Just perfect for the time of year that we're going to be making this. Adorable little rain boots and the frog. So this is the cover sheet. So you're going to get the full collection here. And I'll lay this aside as I look at this. So this is your cut aparts. This would be your 3x4s. 3x4 journaling cards with the umbrellas on the back side. Super, super cute. I love these beautiful colors. This one is called Springtime Friends. So there's all your little springtime friends, your little frog and the sun, adorable little birds and ducklings, the mama duck, super, super cute, the rainbow, and of course the back side has this fabulous hearts on that. Then we have Rainy Day Essentials. We've got your rain boots and umbrella here on this side. Flip it over and we have the raindrops on blue. Love that one. This would be our 4x6 journaling cards. So we've got all these. This is The Loveliest Weather Comes in Spring. Unbelievable. Great things bloom in their own time. Flip this over and we have this fabulous plaid. Absolutely adorable. It's going to look great in this album that I've got planned for you. This piece here is Sweet Blossoms. Got your flowers. And then you flip it over and you've got this pattern here. Spring Day Trucks. So cute. And then we have the yellow with flowers. And this would be your multi-journaling cards. We've got tags all across here and the bigger 4x6 at the top. Today was lovely. Welcome spring. Flip it over and we have dots, colored dots. Growing stems, more flowers, pretty colors, and it's nice check on the back in navy. Got to have blossoms and bees, of course. Yellow with the flowers and the little bees. They're so, so cute. Let me put those where you can see them. And the back side is this really nice blue check. This sheet, oh, we've got lots to work with. It's pretty exciting, is the 4x4 journaling cards. Keep going, keep growing. Spring adds new life and new beauty to all that is. And butterflies. Can't have a spring collection without butterflies. Lovely mushrooms. There they are on a kind of a navy blue, dark navy blue background. And then we have this really pretty kind of lime green with a little bit of orange plaid. And the last patterned one is bright hexagons. There they are. And a little floral design here, kind of this peachy pink color. Then, of course, with the collection, you're going to get your stickers. Got to have our 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. I love the truck. Beautiful. Each day is a new possibility. The flowers, the mushrooms, the frog. Got a border, some lettering down here. It's going to be a lot of fun decorating the album up with that. So that's that one. Then you're going to get 2 sheets of 12 by 12, 65-pound white artisan cardstock. This is great for matting for your photo mats. We've got that. You're going to get 2 heavyweight pieces of chipboard for the album cover. This will be perfect. We're going to make the album is going to be the size that you can use this. So we'll be able to make our spine and our 2 album covers with that. You're going to get in the whole box foam dots to use. I don't know if I'll use them on mine yet. I may not, but this is available to use on all the projects that you'll be working on. Also, we're going to be getting the solids with this collection, the coordinating solid paper pack, the Echo Parks Blossoms and Bees. So you get 6 12 by 12 double-sided papers. So that's 6 different colors, I think, but let's take a look here. Let me move this labeling thing away. So you get like the, what they're calling pink and blue. So you get 2 sheets of this, so you can use both sides. Then you're getting yellow and orange. 2 sheets of that. And then lastly, you're getting, oops, they're stuck together kind of. My fingers aren't working. You're getting green and light pink. I love that color. And so that is 6 colors. You get, you know, the back and front. And then you're going to get, it is the speckle tone white artisan linen cardstock. So this is what we'll be making our pages out of. And we're going to get 15 sheets of the speckle tone white cardstock. This will make our pages and flaps and probably wrap the album cover. So we have plenty to do that. You just have to, I will show you how to cut it so that you're not wasting anything, and how to cut it properly so that you'll have enough for your project. So this is the white speckle tone artisan cardstock, and we'll be using that for our project. Then we also get the navy blue sheer ribbon. This is beautiful. You're going to get that for your project. That looks like about a yard. And then I think we get 2 yards of this really pretty pink seam binding ribbon. I will probably crinkle mine up, you know, spritz it with water and crinkle it up. You don't have to if you don't want to, but that's what I usually do with mine. And then we get a pack. I've already opened it up to take the glare away, but you get a pack of ephemera and 33 die cut pieces. So life is sweet. We get some labels. We get the sun, the buzzy day, lots of cute little ephemera pieces to decorate our album pages. So this is really a lot of fun. You're going to get some titles like Puddle Jumper, So Joyful, some snails and mushrooms, Sunny Days, little truck, tag, lots of fun things here. I see a banner. I think that's probably going to say Bloom. I've got the O and the M. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Spring is everywhere. Life in full bloom. Keep going, keep growing. That's a good one there. This is a tag. This is a frame. You punch out that center. And there's the other O. And we've got this little tag. I love that one with the bee on it. This one says Sweet Memories, and then there's L and B, balloon. So that is our ephemera pack. So that is my kit that I'll be working with for the Country Craft Creations National Scrapbook Day virtual online retreat, Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you will be notified of my other projects that I do for Country Craft Creations, and check out Country Craft Creations for your other supplies, paper crafting supplies for your adhesive. You do have to provide your own adhesives for this retreat. And go ahead and use my affiliate link down below in the description, or use the code Sandy Trefger. That's all caps, SANDY-TREFGER. I'll show it here on the screen, and the link to Country Craft Creations. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.